Ahoy and welcome to Selfmade, to all new and old subscribers. And today we're gonna make a trigger for a crossbow. Pretty simple, just a couple of moving parts, one spring, a couple of screws, bit of aluminum. You could also use wood, depending on how strong your crossbow will be, and we just dive right into it. First step, base plate. 2 or 3 millimeter aluminium, or wood, whatever you want. Just not too thin. It should not bend. And next part, second step, you cut out this 2 holes. One will hold the tension spring, one for mounting. No escape. And yeah, just let's put it on there. This one goes here. Then you need a trigger from the same. I used 5 millimeter aluminum. Another screw here for the tension spring. You will see in a second what it's for. And now we have this. Those 2 screws are just stoppers, one for the left part and one for the right for the trigger part. And now you can just put a tension spring on there, and that's actually it. When the arrow goes here, it pushes, or the string, or whatever you have, and then blip. So when the string is pushing, zip, there it goes. And you have to cut in with your. I used just a Dremel tool and a cutter wheel. To make sure the arrow can go through there. String right behind it, that will just work just fine. Material of this part depends on the diameter of your arrows or bolts, so yeah, choose wisely. And yeah, that's actually it. Now there are spacers, 5 millimeter material, 6 millimeter spacers, one here, one there, and one there, and now you could just cover it up and it's done. Simple but effective trigger, easy to make, very reliable. And that's it for today, guys. Share it, like it, tell your friends about it, subscribe if you like, and I'll see you guys next time.